هغې خودکشي ولې وکړه؟ Why did he commit suicide? Why did he commit suicide? هغې قرض نشو خلاصولی. He could not pay the debt. He could not pay the debt. ته ولې وارخطا یا ته ولې اندېښمن یې؟ Why are you worried? Why are you worried? ځکه سبا ته زما امتحان دی. Because I have an exam tomorrow. Because I have an exam tomorrow. ته ولې داسې خفه ښکارې؟ Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? پرون ما خپل موبایل د لاسه ورکړو یا پرون ما خپل موبایل ورک کړو. I lost my mobile yesterday. I lost my mobile yesterday. ستا د خوښې موسم کوم دی؟ What is your favorite season? What is your favorite season? زما د خوښې موسم سپرلی دی. My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. ستا ولې هغه دومره ناخوښه دی؟ Why do you dislike him so much? Why do you dislike him so much? ځکه چې هغه ډیر زیات بې ادبه دی. Because he is very rude. Because he is very rude. ته په څو ژبو کې خبرې کولی شي؟ How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? زه په 2 ژبو کې خبرې کولی شم. I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages. آیا تا زما کتاب د ځان سره راوړی دی؟ Did you bring my book with you? Did you bring my book with you? اوه زما نه هیر شو. سبا به یې ضرور د ځان سره راوړم. Oh, I forgot. I will definitely bring it tomorrow. Oh, I forgot. I will definitely bring it tomorrow. آیا ته پخلی کولی شي؟ Can you cook? Can you cook? او زه ډېر ښه پخلی کولی شم. Yes, I am very good cook. Yes, I am very good cook. آیا تا خپل د لیکلو کار ختم کړو؟ Have you finished your right work? Have you finished your right work? تر اوسه خو نه دی ختم خو ډېر ژر به ختم شي. Not yet but it will finish soon. Not yet but it will finish soon. تا څه وویل؟ What did you say? What did you say? هیڅ هم نه. ما یوازې د ځان سره خبرې کولې. Nothing, I was just talking to myself. Nothing, I was just talking to myself. زما عینکې چا اخیستي؟ Who has taken my glasses? Who has taken my glasses? ما نه دي اخیستي. Not me. Not me. آیا هلته ډیر زیات خلک وو؟ Were there lots of people there? Were there lots of people there? او ډیر زیات. Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot. څومره پیسې د ځان سره راوړم؟ How much money should I bring with me? How much money should I bring with me? چې څومره زیاتې وي دومره به بهتره وي. The more the better. The more the better. ستا وزن څومره دی؟ How much do you weight? How much do you weight? زما وزن 80 کیلو دی. I weight 70 kilogram. I weight 70 kilogram. تا سره څومره پیسې دي؟ How much money do you have? How much money do you have? ما سره پیسې نشته. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. آیا زه ستا تر څنګ کېناستی شم یا زه ستا خوا کې کېناستی شم؟ May I sit next to you? May I sit next to you? او بالکل ته زما خوا ته کېناستی شي یا ته زما تر څنګ کېناستی شي. Yes, of course. You can sit next to me. Yes, of course. You can sit next to me. آیا ستا سفر کول خوښیږي؟ Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? او زما سفر کول خوښیږي. Yes, I like to travel. Yes, I like to travel. آیا ته غواړې چې مالداره شې؟ Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich? او زه غواړم چې مالداره شم. Yes, I want to be rich. Yes, I want to be rich. آیا ته غواړې چې انتظار وکړې؟